Hello kids! Today we are going to learn popular landmarks in different countries part 1. Eiffel Tower, France, Paris. Great Wall of China in China. Statue of Liberty in United States, New York. Taj Mahal in India, Agra. Colosseum in Italy, Rome. Machu Picchu in Peru. Sydney Opera House in Australia. Big Ben Elizabeth Tower in United Kingdom, London. Pyramids of Giza in Egypt. Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Acropolis in Greece, Athens. Petra in Jordan. Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The Louvre in France, Paris. Mount Rushmore in United States, South Dakota. St. Basil's Cathedral in Russia, Moscow. Stonehenge in United Kingdom, England. Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Sagrada Familia in Spain, Barcelona. Burj Khalifa in United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Golden Gate Bridge in United States, San Francisco. Pisa Tower in Italy. Alhambra in Spain, Granada. Hagia Sophia in Turkey, Istanbul. Forbidden City in China, Beijing. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoy our popular landmarks in different countries adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Until next time, keep learning.